Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm here again with another important and super useful Arabic grammar lesson. Today, we are going to learn all the pronouns in Arabic. Yes, all of them. Both the independent forms and the attached forms. So make sure to stay till the end because we'll go step by step. And by the end of this video, you will be confidently using Arabic pronouns in your sentences, inshallah. Let's begin with the independent forms. The ones that stand on their own are called independent pronouns. Just like in English, he, she, they, you, I, etc. Before I begin, I'll first say all the pronouns in one go. And this is one of the important skills that every Arabic learner should have to be able to say all the pronouns in one go. So I'll start with third person, then I'll go to second person, and then I'll come to first person. So hear me out. Huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, anta antuma antum, anti antuma antunna, ana nahnu. Again. Huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, anta antuma antum, anti antuma antunna, ana nahnu. So this is one of the important skills that every Arabic learner should have in order to gain progress or in order to have an extra edge in Arabic grammar. And this sounds rhythmic, right? So now let's break them down one by one. First, I will teach you all the independent pronouns. For this, I would like to tell you that you should focus on the things written with black colors, not the red ones. So just ignore the red ones first because the red ones are attached pronouns and the things written with black colors are independent pronouns. So we'll first learn all the independent pronouns and then we'll come to attached pronouns. So let's start with the third person, which means you are talking about someone else, not yourself and not the person in front of you. So the topmost right, number one is huwa. This is used for a single male. In English, it means he, and sometimes also it means it if the object is masculine in Arabic. You know, in Arabic, there are feminine words and there are masculine words. So if an object is masculine, we can call it huwa because it is third person. So huwa is used for either he or it if the object is masculine. For example, he is a student. Huwa talibun. Huwa talibun. He is a student. Another example, it is a book. It is a book. Huwa kitabun. Because huwa is used for both he or it. Next, we have huma. This is used when you are talking about two people. In English, this means they two or both of them. For example, they both are students. In Arabic, you say huma talibani. Huma talibani means they both are students. And in case of females, they both are students. Huma talibatani. Huma talibatani. Next comes hum. This is used for three or more males or a mixed group, male and females. In English, this means they. Example, they are Muslims. Hum Muslimun. Hum Muslimun means they are Muslims. They are students. Hum tullabun. Hum tullabun. Now focus on the next row, which is third person feminine. The whole row is feminine row, third person. And it starts with hiya. This is for a single female, meaning she. Or also it can mean it if the object is feminine. As I said earlier, Arabic has two kinds of nouns, masculine and feminine. So for a feminine object, you can use hiya. For example, she is a student. You can say hiya talibatun. Hiya talibatun means she is a student. Another example, it is a car. Hiya sayyaratun. Hiya sayyaratun means it is a car because a car is feminine in Arabic. Next, huma. Huma is actually common. You can use for both male and female. You can use for only males. You can use for only females. It means they two or both of them. So they both are sisters. Example, they both are sisters means huma ukhtani. Huma ukhtani means they both are sisters. Next comes hunna. Hunna is used for 3 or more females, meaning they females. For example, if you are addressing some females and you are saying they are students, you use hunna talibatun. Hunna talibatun. It means they are students in case of females. Now let's go to the second person masculine row. It starts with anta. This is used when you are speaking to one male. In English, this means you. Male singular. For example, you are a student. Anta talibun. Anta talibun means you are a student. Next, antuma. Antuma is again you can use for male also, female also, because it is common. You can use for males, you can use for females, you can use for one male and one female. But it should be 2. So it means you two or both of you. For example, you both are student. So in case of male, you say antuma talibani. In case of females, you say antuma talibatani. You both are students. Next comes antum. This is used for 3 or more males or a mixed group like boys plus girls. In English, this means you all or you plural. For example, you all are students. Antum tullabun. Antum tullabun. In the next row, we have second person feminine. It starts with anti. This is used when you are talking to one female. In English, simply you, but for a girl. For example, you are a student. Anti talibatun. Anti talibatun means you are a student. Another example, you are a believer. Anti mu'minatun. Anti mu'minatun. Next comes antuma. As I said, antuma is common in both male and female. So just like before, it's used for 2 females as well. So whether it's 2 boys, 2 girls, or one of each, antuma works. And then comes antunna. This is for 3 or more females, exclusively females. In English, you all, but for only females. Example, when we are addressing the females and are saying you are students, we say antunna talibatun. And at last we have ana and nahnu. Ana, this means I, when you are talking about yourself alone. For example, I am a student. Ana talibun. In case of male, we say ana talibun. And in case of female, we say ana talibatun. I am a student. Female will say ana talibatun and male will say ana talibun. And next comes nahnu. This means we. When you are talking about yourself and others together. For example, we are students. Nahnu tullabun. And in case of females, we are students. Nahnu talibatun. We love the Quran. Nahnu nuhibbul Quran. Nahnu nuhibbul Quran means we love the Quran. Now let's see how we use the attached versions. When the pronoun is joined at the end of a word, they are called attached pronouns. And the examples can be many, like my book, your book, his book, I love him, he killed him. So let's start again with the third person. The attached form of hua is who or he. Now this time you just focus on the things written with red colors only. So use this when something belongs to him or when him is the object. Example, his book, kitabuhu, kitabuhu. So kitab means book and the hu at the end means his book. So kitabuhu. Next example is I saw him. Ana ra'aytuhu. Ana ra'aytu means I saw and the hu at the end means him. So ana ra'aytuhu becomes I saw him. Another example, this is a book, I love it. هذا كتاب أنا أحبه. The who at the end means it. So هذا كتاب أنا أحبه means this is a book, I love it. Next, huma. The attached form of huma is either huma or hima, meaning both of them or their, regardless of the gender. Example, هذا كتابهما. This is their book. هذا كتابهما. Another example, I saw both of them. أنا رأيتهما. The huma at the end means both of them. So أنا رأيتهما becomes I saw both of them. Next, whom. The attached form of whom is either whom or him. And the meaning is them as an object or their. For example, this is their book. هذا كتابهم. هذا كتابهم. This is their book. Next example, I saw them. أنا رأيتهم. On the second row, for feminine, third person starts with hiya. The attached form of hiya is ha, meaning her or it, feminine object. For example, this is her book. هذا كتابها. هذا كتابها. This is her book. Next example, I saw her. أنا رأيتها. This time we are skipping huma because huma is common for both males and females. Now comes hunna. The attached form of hunna is either hunna or hinna, meaning them in case of feminine object. For example, this is their book. هذا كتابهن. Next example, I saw them. أنا رأيتهن. So that was for third person attached pronouns. Now we'll move on to second person attached pronouns. So we'll start with the attached pronouns of anta, which is ka, which means you as object or your. For example, this is your book. هذا كتابك. Next example, I saw you. أنا رأيتك. Next, أنتما. The attached form of أنتما is kuma, which means both of you or your as object. For example, this is your book. هذا كتابكما. Addressing two people at the same time, this is your book. هذا كتابكما. Next example, I saw both of you. أنا رأيتكما. Next, أنتم. The attached form of أنتم is kum, which means you plural object or your. For example, this is your book. هذا كتابكم. Next example, I saw you all. أنا رأيتكم. And the next row starts with anti. The attached form of anti is ki, which means you object feminine or your. For example, this is your book. هذا كتابك. Next example, I saw you. أنا رأيتك. Next one is أنتن. The attached form of أنتن is kunna, which means you plural object or your. For example, this is your book. هذا كتابكن. I saw you all. أنا رأيتكن. So this was all about second person. Now we'll move on to first person. And in first person, there are only two. The attached form of ana is either ni or e, which means me or my. For example, this is my book. هذا كتابي. You saw me. أنت رأيتني. أنت رأيتني means you saw me. Next comes نحن. The attached form of نحن is na, which means our or us. For example, this is our book. هذا كتابنا. You saw us. أنت رأيتنا. So this was all about all the pronouns. Now you know all the Arabic pronouns, independent and attached. Just remember, practice is the key. Try making short sentences with each one so they stick in your memory. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share with your friends who are learning Arabic, and subscribe for more easy grammar lessons. Jazakumullahu khairan. See you in the next video, inshallah.